The future is here, Apple's big event. This annual spectacle is something tech enthusiasts and Apple fans around the world eagerly await. It's not just a presentation, it's a celebration of innovation, creativity, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. Apple did it again. They hosted their highly anticipated fall event. The atmosphere was electric, with everyone on the edge of their seats waiting to see what groundbreaking technologies Apple would introduce this time. All eyes were on what new gadgets Apple would reveal. The press, media, and tech bloggers were all present, ready to capture every moment and share it with the world. The anticipation was palpable. The stars of the show? The iPhone 16, Apple Watch Series 10, and AirPods 4. Each of these products represents a significant leap forward in technology, design, and user experience. The iPhone 16 boasts a revolutionary camera system. The Apple Watch Series 10 introduces new health monitoring features, and the AirPods 4 offer unparalleled sound quality. Excitement filled the air. Each device promises exciting advancements and innovations. The audience couldn't contain their enthusiasm, applauding and cheering as each new product was unveiled. It was clear that Apple had once again set the bar high. Let's dive into what Apple has in store for us. The iPhone 16, with its advanced AI capabilities, promises to change the way we interact with our devices. The Apple Watch Series 10, with its new health sensors, aims to make health monitoring more accessible and accurate. And the AirPods 4, with their enhanced noise cancellation and spatial audio, are set to redefine our listening experience. This event was more than just new gadgets. It was a showcase of Apple's vision for the future, a future where technology seamlessly integrates into our daily lives, making everything more connected, efficient, and enjoyable. It was a glimpse into the future. The presentations were filled with futuristic visuals and concepts that seemed straight out of a sci-fi movie. But with Apple, the future is now. Apple continues to push the boundaries of technology. They are not just creating products, they are creating experiences. Experiences that are intuitive, immersive, and transformative. They want to change how we connect with the world. Whether it's through the seamless integration of their devices or the innovative features they introduce, Apple is constantly redefining the way we interact with technology. The best part? These devices are not just for techies. Apple designs its products with everyone in mind. From young children to older adults, their devices are user-friendly and accessible to all. They are designed for everyone. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a professional, a student, or just someone who wants to stay connected, there's an Apple product for you. This inclusivity is what makes Apple stand out. They understand that technology should be for everyone, and they strive to make that a reality with every product they create. The iPhone 16 is here, and it's all about the camera. This year, Apple has truly outdone itself. Apple knows photography is everything to us. In a world where capturing moments has become second nature, having a powerful camera in your pocket is essential. The iPhone 16 has a brand new camera system. It's not just an upgrade. It's a revolution in mobile photography. Get ready for photos and videos that are brighter and sharper than ever before. The enhanced low-light performance means your night shots will look stunning. But wait, there's more. Apple finally gave us a dedicated camera button. This small addition makes a huge difference. No more fumbling around the screen to capture that perfect shot. With a simple press, you're ready to snap away. Whether you're a pro or just love snapping pics, the iPhone 16 caters to all. The advanced AI helps you get the best shot every time. The iPhone 16's camera is a game changer. From stunning landscapes to detailed close-ups, every photo you take will be a masterpiece. The new portrait mode adds a professional touch to your photos, making every shot Instagram-worthy. And it's not just about taking photos. Editing them has never been easier. With powerful inbuilt tools, you can tweak your photos to perfection and share them instantly on social media. The iPhone 16 is designed to fit seamlessly into your life, whether you're traveling the world or capturing everyday moments. Its versatility and power make it the ultimate tool for anyone who loves photography. So get ready to elevate your photography game with the iPhone 16. It's not just a phone, it's a camera that redefines what's possible. The iPhone 16, because it's all about the camera. Calling all gamers. The iPhone 16 Pro is here to take your gaming to the next level. Apple loaded it with gaming enhancements that will blow you away. Imagine smoother graphics, faster processing speeds, and a more responsive gaming experience. The iPhone 16 Pro is not just for gaming. It's your ultimate entertainment hub. Stream your favorite shows and movies with stunning visuals and immersive sound. Get ready to experience entertainment like never before. At the heart of these new iPhones is the A18 chip. This is Apple's most powerful chip yet. It's the engine that drives all the amazing features of the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Pro. The A18 chip is more than just speed. It's about efficiency. Experience longer battery life and smoother performance even with demanding tasks. This chip is a testament to Apple's commitment to innovation. Section 5. Apple Watch Series 10. Your health companion just got smarter. The Apple Watch Series 10 is here to revolutionize the way you manage your health and fitness. With cutting-edge technology and innovative features, it's designed to be your ultimate health companion. The Apple Watch is already a health powerhouse. It has been helping millions of users track their fitness goals, monitor their heart rate, and stay connected on the go. But now, with the Series 10, Apple has taken things to a whole new level. Now the Apple Watch Series 10 takes it up a notch. It's not just about tracking your steps or monitoring your heart rate anymore. The Series 10 introduces a range of new features that make it an indispensable tool for anyone serious about their health. Apple added a suite of new health features. Think advanced sleep tracking, which not only monitors your sleep patterns but also provides insights into how you can improve your sleep quality. Imagine waking up feeling more refreshed and ready to tackle the day. More accurate heart rate monitoring ensures that you get real-time data on your heart's performance, whether you're working out or just going about your daily activities. And with fall detection, the watch can sense if you've taken a hard fall and can even alert emergency services if needed. The Apple Watch Series 10 is your ultimate health companion. It's designed to be with you every step of the way, providing you with the information and motivation you need to stay healthy and active. Whether you're an athlete or just someone looking to improve your overall well-being, this watch has something for everyone. It empowers you to take control of your well-being. Set personalized health goals, track your progress, and get reminders to stay active throughout the day. With the Series 10, you have a personal health coach right on your wrist. Stay connected, stay healthy, and stay safe with this incredible device. The Apple Watch Series 10 is more than just a watch. It's a comprehensive health and fitness companion that's always there for you. Embrace the future of health technology with the Apple Watch Series 10. Section 6. A bigger, brighter watch face. Prepare to be amazed by the Apple Watch Series 10's display. Apple made it even bigger and brighter than ever before. See your notifications, fitness stats, and even your favorite watch faces with incredible clarity. The larger display isn't just about aesthetics, it's about functionality. Navigate through apps and menus with ease. Read your messages without squinting. The Apple Watch Series 10 is a sight to behold. Section 7. AirPods 4. Music to your ears. Apple didn't forget about music lovers. Say hello to the AirPods 4. These earbuds pack a punch with improved sound quality, a longer battery life, and even better noise cancellation. Get lost in your favorite tunes. The AirPods 4 are designed to provide the ultimate listening experience. Whether you're commuting, working out, or just relaxing at home, these earbuds will elevate your music to new heights. Section 8. H2 chip, the brains behind the sound. The secret sauce behind the AirPods 4's incredible audio quality? The H2 chip. This tiny but mighty chip delivers powerful audio processing. It ensures crystal clear highs and deep, rich bass. The H2 chip is a game changer for audiophiles. Experience your favorite music like never before with the AirPods 4. It's like having a concert in your ears. Section 9. Pricing and availability. When can you get your hands on them? Excited about all these amazing devices? Here's the important information. The iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Pro will be available for pre-order starting this Friday. The Apple Watch Series 10 and AirPods 4 will be available next week. Mark your calendars and get ready to upgrade your tech game. These devices are sure to be a hit, so don't miss out. Section 10. The Apple ecosystem, stronger than ever. These new devices are amazing on their own, but together they form a powerful ecosystem. Apple designed them to work seamlessly. Switch between your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods effortlessly. This ecosystem is about convenience and connectivity. Apple's devices are designed to make your life easier. Stay connected, stay organized, and stay entertained with the power of Apple's ecosystem. Section 11. The future of tech. Apple sets the bar high. Apple's event wasn't just about products. It was about the future of technology. Apple showed us what's possible. They are pushing the boundaries of innovation. They continue to inspire the tech industry. One thing is for sure. Apple is setting the bar high. These new devices are a testament to their commitment to excellence. The future of tech is bright, and Apple is leading the way.